I've been thinking about requesting body cam footage from this visit, which, don't get me wrong, the police were cordial, or they were polite, and I don't think they're probably dirty cops. I think they were sent by someone. And I think they were told exactly what to say, make this guy think that he needs to be in a mental hospital. And I've been thinking about requesting the body cam footage because I think it was intimidation without a doubt. Because why? It's unnecessary considering that I'm already dealing with this other legal case, and the male officer specifically was lying about me saying that I was suicidal in the letter. And so I want to request the body cam footage because I want to show the jury this video, because if you watch it, you're going to think, how in the world is that how you responded to that letter? Like, you read the letter and that's what you say? Oh, you're mentally ill, you're mentally ill, you're mentally ill, you're mentally ill. Trust me, I know. When in reality, you know exactly. Like, you're lying. So I want to request it, but then I remembered that the last time I requested something like this, I got put in jail for 15 plus days. They say it's 15 days. Turns into like 17 days. And so I want to request the letter, but so the last time I requested, what I did is right before I got put in jail for contempt of court, I requested 2 different the video from the trials, because I went to court and the judge laughed at me when I told him that West Texas was a drug lab. And I listed all these names, and the judge was like, yeah, you're crazy. Like, and I wanted to I wanted evidence of the way that the judge behaved. And then I got put in jail. And I think that the reason they put me in jail is because I kind of pressed a nerve, or the reason I think one of the reasons the judge put me in jail is because I hit a nerve by requesting that information. I also requested the complaint that I filed against a police officer in the Colorado Springs Police Department. I wasn't speeding. I was driving my mom to the doctor because she asked me to, and I didn't notice the light had changed because I was looking at directions, because I didn't want to look at directions while I was driving. And I turned, and then he pulled me over for speeding, but I was in traffic. So there was no way I was actually speeding. And he gave me a ticket, and my mom told me, just accept the ticket, don't mess with the police. But I've received a bunch of tickets since I've been in Colorado. I never got them at all in Texas. I've been pulled over at least 3 times that I can think of since I've been in Colorado. In Texas, I never get pulled over, ever. But suddenly I'm in Colorado, and I get pulled over. It's kind of like suddenly I'm in Colorado, my hood goes through my windshield because I drove from San Antonio. And you're mentally ill. You're mentally ill. You need to go see a psychiatrist. The mayors can't help you. A psychiatrist can help you. Only a psychiatrist can help you. I don't understand how a mayor can help you. That's what this guy kept saying. Like, he kept saying, the mayor's not going to be able to help you. Mayors can't help you. I don't think you understand. Like, mayors can't help you. Only a psychiatrist can help you. That's what he kept saying over and over again. So what I'm trying to say is I want to request this body cam footage, but then I'm afraid because of retaliation, because of what happened last time. Because one second I'm requesting a complaint I filed against a police officer for harassing me, and then the next thing you know, I'm getting put in jail. One day I'm requesting the video from my court case from when I was in court, and the next thing you know, I'm in jail for saying, can I say something now? So I'm just saying, like, I think that the DA needs to recognize that they're probably in trouble. I mean, I can't imagine that you're not in trouble, because I can't imagine that certain people haven't called you to confirm my story. You don't need someone to confirm the story. I can't imagine that DA doesn't know. This town is a town that if you're in law enforcement, there's a very good chance you know. So when you are all faking like you don't know and go, he's mentally ill, and then you show up trying to make me feel like I'm crazy, then it's just like, do you realize you're obstructing justice? I don't think you do, because the cops don't think they're ever going to get in trouble because they're cops, because cops don't get in trouble for anything. Like, apparently this officer was that comfortable destroying evidence. I mean, I'm talking about James Lambert. Like, how in the world was he that comfortable destroying half the body cam footage? Oh, it's because my partner doesn't have the other half of the body cam footage. We were alone. That's an interesting coincidence that I made a video explaining exactly what happened in that body cam footage, and then the body cam footage is deleted. Just saying. So yeah, I'm afraid of the police. Like, I think they want me to be afraid, and I am. but I'm not that afraid because I've contacted so many outside police departments.